Today, we're going to share with you an astonishing math trick that you can use with any person to completely blow their mind. Give a person a calculator to use. Tell them to type any 3 digits. For example, they type 798. Tell them to repeat the digits so they get a 6-figure number. 798798 in this example. Now, you will show them how incredibly amazing and gifted you are at maths. Just look at that number and say, that number will divide exactly by 13. Tell them to do it. Now look at the answer and pretend to do the same calculation and say, that number will now divide exactly by 11. Tell them to do it. Finally, tell them, your answer will now divide exactly by 7. Tell them to do it, and to their surprise, the final answer will be the first 3 digits they thought of, 798 in this example. We will explain why this trick always works in our upcoming videos.